You see the ads everywhere. Make $10,000 a month working from your couch. Get rich quick with this one weird trick. Let's be real, most of that is BS. The internet is full of gurus peddling get-rich-quick schemes. They promise easy money, fast, but it's all smoke and mirrors. The truth is, making money online takes work. It takes hustle. It takes dedication. Don't fall for the hype. There's no magic button. Real success comes from putting in the effort. It's about creating value, not chasing shortcuts. You need to build something real, something sustainable. That takes time, my friends. So many people jump from one shiny object to the next. They chase the latest trend, hoping for a quick buck. But that's a recipe for burnout, not success. You need to find your lane and stay in it. Focus on building a real business, not chasing the next big thing. The internet is a powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. It's not a magic money machine. Success online comes from hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. Are you ready to put in the work? Let's talk about mindset. This is where so many people screw up. They think it's all about finding the right niche or the perfect product. But here's the secret. It's about your mindset. Your attitude determines your altitude. If you're not mentally prepared for the grind, you're going to fail. You need to believe in yourself. You need to be willing to put in the work, even when it's hard. You need to embrace the suck, because it's going to suck sometimes. You're going to want to quit, but that's when you dig deep and keep going. Listen, I'm not saying it's easy. Building a successful online business is tough, but it's 100% possible. And it all starts with your mindset. You need to be hungry. You need to be relentless. You need to be obsessed. So many people give up too soon. They hit a roadblock and they quit. They let fear and doubt creep in. Don't be that person. Embrace the challenges. Learn from your mistakes and never ever give up on yourself. Let me tell you about some classic mistakes I see people make online. First up, the shiny object syndrome. They jump from one thing to the next, never focusing on one thing long enough to see results. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. Then there's the perfectionist paralysis. They're so afraid of failing they never even start. They're too busy tweaking their website or perfecting their product. Listen, done is better than perfect. Get your stuff out there and iterate as you go. Another big one is the lack of patience. They expect overnight success. But building a real business takes time. It takes consistent effort. It takes patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep grinding. And finally, the fear of putting themselves out there. They're afraid of judgment, of criticism. But you know what? Haters gonna hate. You can't let the fear of what others think hold you back. Put yourself out there, be authentic, and connect with your audience. Section 4. One skill to rule them all. Master your craft, conquer the internet. Here's the deal. You don't need to be a jack of all trades online. In fact, it's better to be a master of one. Find your zone of genius. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Focus on that. Become the best in the world at it. The internet rewards specialization. If you're the go-to person for something, you're going to win. So what's your thing? Are you a killer writer? A graphic design ninja? A social media savant? Find your superpower and own it. Once you've found your niche, it's time to go deep. Learn everything you can about it. Take courses, read books, attend conferences, become a student of your craft. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. And don't be afraid to share your knowledge. Create content, teach others, build a community. The more you give, the more you'll receive. That's the beauty of the internet. It's a two-way street. Section 5, level up your life. Your action plan starts now. Alright, enough talk, let's get practical. Here's your action plan. 1. Identify your passion. What gets you fired up? What could you talk about for hours? 2. Find your niche. What problems can you solve for others? What value can you provide? 3. Develop your skills. Take courses, read books, practice your craft. 4. Build your platform. Create a website, start a social media account, get your message out there. 5. Create valuable content. Share your knowledge, teach others, provide value to your audience. 6. Be consistent. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is key. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, build relationships. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and dedication. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards are limitless. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. The internet is full of opportunities, but it's up to you to seize them. So go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your unique voice and your incredible talent. Now go crush it.